Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Enock Chihana dubbed as EKC Simbi ya moto. Nthawi akuti nthawi eti tapanga launch manifesto eti na fenso a Dpp-Aford Alliance tili ndi identity yomwe ndikufuna ndichite launch pano kuti kamapita kumjamba mukuiziwa sichoncho mzingu wanka kuti machine eti machine mwayawona machine Professor machine APM machine Jenny answer machine Chihana machine Afford machine DPP machine Alliance machine Malawi machine D Anachapa
Machine! Ladies and gentlemen, it's getting exciting, every bit of it. This time around, allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to ask Right Honorable Enock Chihana, Machine, President of Alliance for Democracy Afford, to come to make his remarks and, of course, to give us an endorsement. Thank you very much.
Zikomo. Pano sopano pakwera wandale. Anza tasukulu achokapo. Ndiye ndichita slogan. Chifukwa chonena kuti mablues akumana akwatirana ukwatu pachitumbuka watu muiraira ndiye masaini athu uku kuli V uku kuli chonchi tiyeni DPP woye DPP woye a professor woye Chihana woye Jenny woye ndi Afford sopano Ntawi Liti I don't want to make a mistake which my brother Dr. Magalasi has made, but I'll forgive him because he's a technocrat. But if he is a politician or he was a politician, mukanamva lero kuti titanisane kuseri tikambirani. Because he kept on emphasizing the DPP government. The DPP government. He forgot that it will be Dpp-Aford government. So here, I don't want to make the same mistake. I will try not to forget some of you on my salutation. Because as politicians, if we forget each other, it's an issue. But some of you, I think you are going to forgive me. The Right Honorable the next Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Dr. Justice Jane Ansah, Chair of the Organizing Committee, the two Secretary Generals, Amuketo and Mailimbe, my brother leader, Honorable Chaponda, the owner of this province, Honorable Mwanamveka, our Vice President, Mai Catherine Makunganya, Honorable Bright Msaka, VP, and also my young brother Gangata, VP for Central Region. Ja Rastafari, Honorable Chikomen. All protocols observed. And also here, I think we have also a mayor of Blantyre City, Mr. Makwinja. I want to say one thing. Alliance have been made in this country, and Aford is well experienced in alliances. We started, I think, with Malawi Congress Party, alliance in opposition, where the first democratic speaker was Rodwell Mnyenyembe. From there, we moved to an alliance with the UDF, where the position of second vice president was created for it, Chakufa Chihana. We pulled out of that alliance. Then we formed an alliance again, where UDF and Aford sponsored our beloved founder of DPP, Bingwa Mutharika. Ndielero tilipano, and one of the reasons why Aford we decided to go into an alliance with DPP is because of our policies. First and foremost, before thinking of other things, I've seen your 4 pillars. We have some similarities. You are looking at agriculture, food security. And we have to know that food is a human right. It's not something we have to talk about. It's not something that any government has to be praised. It is a human right. If any government does not provide food to its people, then it's not a government. And we have looked at commercial agriculture coming into industrialization. Then we have seen urbanization. And also, what is important to us as Alliance for Democracy, as a party that is a social democrat, is the issue of decentralization. Power to the people. It's a component yomwe fetaiko onda kwambiri. Yomwe, I think, after pa 16, pa 17, pa 20, aukalumbiritsa professor, komaso a vice president, komaso second vice president waima pano. It's an issue that will take it seriously. I think as a country, we have to stop to be jokers. In this country, there are so many jokers. To know that this country with so many jokers, look at the presidential candidates, 20. You can tell that this one is a joker, this one is a joker. That's why we have followed you, because we know DPP is a very serious organization. And us, we cannot go into an alliance with a joker, no. And DPP, you have to know we are proud of you. Tender and most. Why am I saying we have similarities in our manifesto? As we have short-term, medium-term, and long-term. We have our 4 Fs. That is forex, fertilizer, food, and fuel. These, within 3 months, will stabilize the economy of this country. There are other things that cannot be in the manifesto where we'll be operating outside the box. And as some of the investments we have already discussed with people who are going to invest in agriculture. And there are some sectors that will concentrate within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. After 4 years, I can assure you, Malawi will be a middle income country. Ndichifukwa chake muntu kundifusa hivi ndikugona. Nchifukwa chani mwasiya zipanizo says ndupita ku DPP. My answer is I don't go to bed with jokers. And the DPP has been tested to the limit. DPP has gone through serious turbulence. And Afford, 30 years in existence, we have been in serious turbulence. To a point where this party was dying completely. Tinakachitokumba mmanda kuti ukhala ngati mnakaikaja akupuma. And here we are. We are a very serious party, well organized, that cannot be pushed around. Chifukwa cha your honor and all members of the DPP, akuluakulu achali chimuli muno, mudziwe kuti pa 16 boma litikuwina. No doubt. Anakamba so that digital banking. That's the way. Ndikuti pressure from MRA ichoka. The money from MRA can be used to retire some debts. Mwamvakale, this country, ili mgongolo seta masewe. So we have experts, amena titandize, kupanga zimenezi. If nchito yatu ma politicians, ndikulankhula, ndikuza nzo chichitike. Inu mapita kusukulu inu is to implement mziwe chimenezi. That's all. Timasiana Maro. I cannot be an engineer and become a politician. It's wrong. Singachoko Queens, Dogotara, Ndi Jegeseni, Ngakare politician. Aye. Leave this field to us. Then you, mnapuzira sukuluni, ndiye mzipanga what is best. Ndiye ziko lima enda bwino. Pomaliza pen, I've been given a responsibility on behalf of the Alliance for Democracy Afford to look at the DPP manifesto, to some areas where we can sit and discuss. Also, what is going to happen with the consultation of my father, Professor Peter Mtalika, is to appoint 2 technical teams that will sit down and come up with a working document. That working document, that's what we are going to use. Ifeyo mboma mwatu, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, paka 6 months. Ndiye technical team yo, ndikupempheni ma secretary general awiri inu, kuti mukhale pansi, then musankhe ma brains ose ku DPP, kwa Afford, komanso even outsiders, atitandize, awone manifesto awiriwa, and see what can be done. I don't want to filibuster here. My job will be kunjamba. Fakujatima tukwanako pangono. Muno nzachizungu zaule mustima tukwana. Komaso pale achalichi zikongwa mbili.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.